Good evening. 4 more Wichita public schools are set to close sometime in the next 5 to 6 years. This is just one part of the facility master plan the Board of Education approved last night.
This also comes after the school district closed 4 elementary schools, 2 middle schools back in the spring because of the budget shortfall. KAKE's Jocelyn Schifferdecker is live in Northwest Wichita with the details.
Yeah, Deb, Chris, we are outside of OK Elementary, which is one of the 4 elementary schools set to close under this facility master plan that the Board of Education unanimously approved at its meeting last night. And this is only one part of what the district says it needs to do to save money as enrollment numbers are declining. 4 more Wichita elementary schools are set to close in the next 5 years. Louverture, OK, Pleasant Valley, and Woodland. The Board of Education unanimously approved the district's facility master plan at its meeting Tuesday night. School Board President Stan Reeser says the plan is necessary.
Without a plan, then all schools are in danger for future budget cuts.
He says closing 4 schools is only a small part of the plan.
This is about combining our current inventory and reducing our administrative building footprint, and then also honoring the high-performing neighborhood schools.
Reeser says the district will avoid $200 million in repairs in the next 10 years by having fewer buildings in operation. The master plan also calls for demolishing and rebuilding 7 buildings: Adams, Black, Irving, Caldwell, McLean, Truesdale, and Coleman. Reeser says this will give students newer buildings and better learning opportunities.
The 700 square foot classroom no longer works for improving student outcomes.
It will also put the newer buildings close to the students.
This plan matches that far better than what the current footprint, which was established in the 1940s, 50s, and 60s.
The plan is estimated to cost $450 million. The board is considering asking for a bond to pay for it, but it says it won't raise taxes. Reeser says the students deserve this.
We haven't made a major investment in our community and our Wichita Public Schools for the last 16 years.
And the school board will vote on whether or not to put a bond issue on the ballot for voters at its next meeting on September 9th. Reporting live in Northwest Wichita, Jocelyn Schifferdecker, KAKE News on your side.